Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and in today's video we're going to be answering a Discord question, partially. I'm at least going to answer in Discord for this individual. So as you can see here, these are the type of questions that we do get over here on the Discord server, and this is on the Pygame. And I kind of really want to know if you guys would like to revisit Pygame. I didn't go back and check, but we tried to do several videos and it really didn't go anywhere and there wasn't a whole lot of interest. So, alright, so if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos. So let's just look and see what this video or what this little program does. So let's bring this in. So alright, let's bring this down here. So here we go. So all right, it looks like it's got, well, I know it has some circles. Let's bring this over here so we can see it. So, all right, so we have a window. We have some colors right here, right there. Then the size of the window, then the display, then we're naming it. So we got welcome. All right, so we got the clock and we're keeping up with this. So, all right, so here we are. Here, okay. Now, let's see what I got. So I got, okay, circles. Those are circles, and they're green. All right, so I see the green. And how many circles do I probably have? Okay, there's 100 of them. And if we look really close, look at that little arc right there. Look at that arc. So this is kind of interesting. So these are the same circles that are constantly moving through. So we've created this, we've created a list of points. Then we have right here with the size, the location, and the color. And then when we reach the edge right here at 490, because it's a size 500 by 500, when it reaches 490, it starts back over. So how it was really posed was, how do I get these to explode? Let's see, where's the question? All right, how can I modify this code to make the dot, I think that's explode every time I click on one? Great question. So it's actually quite, well, not quite more in depth, but a little bit more sophisticated. So literally, you don't have to create each circle, but you have to write a program or a piece of program or an object. So Python then can take that, then create each object. Then you would create certain methods associated with this. So what I'm answering that, and I'm going to share a bunch of links in the Discord. But what I'm also curious about is if we kind of want to jump back and maybe even answer this and do like a little scoring game and just see, because I think have doubled subscribers since the last time that I was doing a Pygame video. So this video is kind of a fishing exercise, answering questions, really just starting to get engagement, because this is an awesome for a really quick attempt. Because I mean, I want you to think about this. It was laid out very elegantly, thought through right here, and I have control and a very nice while loop right here to control when I hit the exit to move out. And when I jump out of here, the window terminates. And I think my favorite part is to have these move over here when they get to the edge, then they reappear back on this side. And that's, when you're first doing this, that's fairly complex when you're trying to begin to think about how things are moving from one edge to the other. So there we go. And I will be sharing some more links down over in Discord. And if this is something that we would like to pick back up on, just make sure you drop in any comments down below, or jump over if you have any input for this individual. Why don't you guys go ahead and share that over there? But I can't tell you guys thank you enough. Thank you for the subscribers. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for all the wonderful support. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.